In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set the airflow direction on the Hisense air conditioner using the Hisense AC remote. As you can see, currently the AC is within the cooling mode, as evidenced by the snowflake icon. The temperature set is 24 degrees centigrade and the fan speed is in auto, as you can see. Okay, so to set the airflow direction, we're going to be using the swing buttons. Okay, for this video, we're going to be talking about the vertical airflow control. That means we're going to be using the vertical swing button. Okay, the first one, which has, sort of vertical arrows. Okay, up and down. So what you do once the AC is on, what you do, you press the vertical swing button. Now, when you look at the AC unit, the lever is actually going to move up and down. As evidenced right in this video, you can see it's actually moving down, then later it's coming up. Okay, you see that? You just pay very keen attention as it does that. Now, once that lever reaches a certain angle which you want, go back to the remote. Okay, press the vertical swing button, and then the lever will actually stop moving, and that will be the set airflow direction of the Hisense air conditioner. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.